Hi, welcome back to my video, and I'll teach you how to make a cool Lego car that's like an excavator. Let me teach you how to make it. Let's go in the video. Let's get started and that many pieces. Get all of these pieces, and let's start with this. We have to get this, and then build something like this. This thing. I put this because to make it higher, and then you need to connect this with this. So, connected. And now we have to make the parts. We need this and this and this and this. Let's connect it. I just forgot how to make this car, so I'm looking at this closely, and then I think it says to make this thing. Let's make it. So done. And the next one. So, and then we need these things. So, and the other side. So let's make it. And done. Pretty much the same. Oops. Fixed it, and it's too bright here. Out of focus. Now it's better. And we need this face. Now okay. This is the front side of the car. Then I have to put it there. I'll put these things at the last. So let's look at it. Okay. Guys, I am sorry. And I have to do this. So I'm sorry. Like I told you. Just like this. I'm sorry, guys. Man, I have to put this here. Let's put this here. Yo, I'm sorry. Done. Like I said, guys, thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. And I have another video, my older, like 2 years old